And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at Saberforms, and this is the Anakin V2. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. So here we go. This is one of their lightsabers. It has multiple colors. It has gesture controls. It also has the deflect effect, which is a great addition. Today we're going to show you how well it does and what else is inside the box. Let's go ahead and check that out. So this is the box here with the Anakin V2. And let's go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, there's going to be the display stand and also the toolkit on the other side. The middle is where the actual lightsaber is and the light strip on top. The display stand is also clear and it's really nice. It's just packaged like this. Once you assemble it, it'll look like this, so it'll be able to display the lightsaber there. It comes with toolkits as well. Little cap for the lightsaber and a charging cord, USB-C as well, and this is the rest that is inside the box. Now this comes pre-assembled as well, but I'll just show you here to break down the actual saber. Now the Anakin V2 is pretty much the highest end version of the famous Jedi Knight saber, available up to date, has an intricate design and great detail. The lightsaber is just like in the movies. It has a polished aluminum alloy hilt and stable blade emitter, allowing for precise movement and maximum maneuverability. Its durable polycarbonate blade makes the saber perfect for recreating any duel sequences you wish. Personally, I really like this design just because they really cared about the detail of the saber. It is hefty as well, pretty heavy to bring, so it feels real, just like you are Anakin. It is rechargeable via USB-C, and there's this kind of try button into one piece, so you can't really tell if it's 3 buttons.
Testis Yoda. Ray Skywalker. Burn!
I am the Inquisitor.
Tell me, is this
Master Windu.